friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review, and it's another ready to eat meal, and it's from Gits this time. And today we are going to review the Gits ready meals dal makhni. I love dal makhni in hotels, and I really am excited to try out the Gits ready meal dal makhni and see how good this dal makhni really tastes. So guys, this is the Gits dal makhni and we are going to review this product today. So starting off with the review of the product, let's look at the packaging. Like all other products from Gits ready meals, it also comes in a green color cardboard box packed here with the Gits branding right on top, the vegetarian 100% vegetarian symbol here, microwavable pouch inside, it mentions here, heat and eat dal makhni. The name of the product is dal makhni here. It's a lentil, vegetable, spices and nothing artificial. This dal makhni is slow cooked for 12 hours on a tandoor. That's what has been mentioned, that this has been slow cooked dal makhni. So I am really expecting, I have really high expectations here right now after reading all this. There are no added preservatives, there's no artificial flavors, no added colors or flavors. There's a multi-layer hygiene pack. All the common instructions that are there on all the Gits ready meal packs. Basically these are amazing things, like there is no added preservatives, so there's no preservatives, no added colors and flavors, and it comes in a multi-layer hygiene pack which keeps it fresh for a long time. They use an advanced retort technology, preserving the food without the use of preservatives. And here's the illustration of the dal makhni. Just look at it, how yummy it looks. The net weight of the package is 300 grams and it serves 2 people. So this dal makhni pouch will serve 2 people. Coming to the sides, like all other packs, there is the Gits branding here, ready meals, and the dal makhni branding here, the name of product. On all the 4 sides of the package it's there. You can see this, it's on all 4 sides of the package. So now quickly we'll look at the back side of the package. Here's the Gits branding, the ready meals branding. Here says preserved without preservatives. Again they are mentioning it here in big bold letters that it has been preserved without preservatives. That gives you a guarantee that there's no preservatives used in it. It has just lentil, vegetable, spices and nothing artificial about it, which is really amazing. Like given an illustration of the various spices here. Here they have mentioned that our chefs use how this dal makhni has been cooked. They mentioned it here. Their process. Here they have mentioned the hygiene protocols that they follow. Like in these times of pandemic, it's very important that these food processing units follow hygiene protocols. So they have mentioned the hygiene protocols that they are following, which is very nice. They are talking about women empowerment and saying that 95% of their factory workforce are women who are working in Gits, which is very good. Coming below, they have mentioned the nutritional information per 100 gram. These are the nutritional facts here. Coming to the price of the product is priced at Rs 110, which is quite reasonably priced by Gits and quite competitive compared to the other brands. And moving up a bit, and here is a method of cooking it. There are 2 simple methods. Basically you can immerse the pouch in boiling water for 5 minutes to heat it up, or you can cut the pouch open and place the pouch standing in the microwave for 2 minutes. These are 2 easy ways to cook it. Like in 2 to 5 minutes you will have a dal makhni prepared like this. So let's go ahead and unbox this product, and I just can't wait to enjoy this dal makhni right now. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I'll just open the pack from here. Right here we have it. Just tear it open a bit. What do we have inside? Okay. So here we have the dal makhni pouch inside. This is the Gits ready meals, heat and eat. They have mentioned the heating instructions here. Like it's mentioned on the box, it's the same thing here. Again, they have mentioned that there are no added preservatives. So they are going on mentioning that there are no added preservatives just to make people sure about it. There are no added colors or flavors. Multi-layer hygiene pack, advanced retort technologies. The same information is available behind as well, and I mentioned the cutting You can cut it open from here. I mentioned the cutting point from where you need to cut it open, and you need to keep it standing in the microwave itself so that it will heat up, right? So yeah guys, this is the gets in a packaging, and we can actually see the dal makhani from here. So it has a very rich color here, we can see that, and I can't wait to just heat it up and go ahead and enjoy the gets ready meals dal makhani. So guys, stay tuned for more. Like, I'm just going to quickly go ahead and cook it, prepare it, and then we are going to do a quick taste test for the gets ready meal dal makhani. So guys, here is the pot of boiling water, and in this boiling water we are going to put in the gets ready meal dal makhani. So here is the packet of dal makhani, and we are just going to let it be there inside the boiling water, and we are going to let it sit in there and get it heated for 5 minutes. And then it will be ready to serve. Nice and hot dal makhani will be ready to serve. So guys, here is the gets dal makhani, and it looks very delicious, completely buttery. You can see the oils around it, and nice and thick and creamy dal makhani here. And we are going to do a taste test of the gets dal makhani right now. You can see the lentils, the beans in it. It looks really yummy right now, and I can't wait to go ahead and dig into it and taste it. So guys, here goes the taste test for the gets dal makhani. So guys, here's the taste test of the gets dal makhani. I have a spoonful of the dal makhani from gets, and here we go with the taste test of the gets dal makhani. Very yummy, very creamy texture to it, the right amount of spices, taste almost like butter chicken. The base gravy is like butter chicken or the dal makhani with lentils and beans in it. So very nice taste. The perfect dal makhani, I would say, which you would order from a hotel. Similarly, slow cooked dal makhani here from Gets. And like they mentioned on the packet, this dal makhani is slow cooked for 12 hours before it's packed. So really amazing taste, a nice mixture of flavor here, very flavoursome, very aromatic, lots of buttery taste in it, a very creamy dal makhani here from Gets. So I would rate the dal makhani from Gets a 5 on 5 for its amazing taste and the texture it has. So guys, if y'all have liked my video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.